A transition is an effect that can be used to stitch two clips together. They're often used to tell the audience that there's a change in scenes or a jump in time. Transitions are accessible from the Transitions tab, located above the browser. To preview what a transition looks like, hover over it and move the cursor left and right. A preview will appear in the Viewer. Always be intentional in video editing, especially when it comes to transitions. Avoid using transitions that don't fit with your movie, such as tacky or flashy ones for a professional project. The most common transitions are the first four: cross dissolve, cross blur, fade to black, and fade to white. These are the smoothest and least distracting. To add a transition, click and drag it to the timeline and place it between two clips. Play the transition to see what it looks like. To change the duration of the transition, such as to make it shorter or last longer, double-click it. Then, type the desired amount of seconds in the new window and click Apply. Be aware that the length of the transition can't exceed the original length of either clip. Transitions can only be applied in the main layer. To fade a clip in the top layer, use the fade handles that appear at the beginning and end of the clips. More information about iMovie can be found in our other videos, or by visiting the PLU knowledge base. If you need assistance, please feel free to reach out to Instructional Technologies.